In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy hashtags on Instagram. So first, let's go to Instagram, and then let's find a post that we want to copy the hashtags of. Let's say this one. Let's tap on the menu button, which is the three dots to the right. Let's tap on copy link. And what we want to do is go to our web browser, which in this case is Google Chrome. Let's paste the link that we have copied. Let's go to the page, and don't forget to request for the desktop site. And now that we are here, we could now copy the hashtags that they have. And that is how you copy hashtags on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.